गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Even our Vedas and Upanishads have chosen the topmost position for the teachers. Then who are we humans to replace the teachers from schools or even can think of? Good morning everyone. My name is Anisha Garg. I study in class 9. Today I got a golden opportunity to say something for the motion of the topic. The students of the future will have no books and no teachers. The students of the future will have no books and no teachers. I completely deny this line. We cannot think of such schools that have no few teachers and books. As we all know, machine learning is growing day by day but cannot replace the teachers and books. Machine learning can also provide us some knowledge but cannot make up culture. These things cannot provide us the ultimate knowledge and the morals of that a teacher provide to his students. Even I say there will be no future of the schools without teachers and books. Today in this pandemic our schools are closed and we all have access to internet and have other facilities to it's due to the efforts and have of our teachers which students are developing. Can you imagine what will happen if there will be no books? Let's discuss some of serious consequences without teachers and books. First of all, everything will have to be replaced by technologies. Every other time when we use our phones and laptops, our mothers ask, stop using the phones and laptops. Have you ever thought why? Because using these technologies can left us with serious health issues. It can damage our eyes and even it can affect our mental health. And if there will be no books, then definitely we will be reading everything on internet, which can affect us severely. And if there will be no teachers, we will really on several kind of videos. These things will not only hamper with the physical strength of students but also make them socially alienated, as the students will engage themselves in front of laptops and other technologies. They will cut off from the outer world. No more teachers or books means just one thing. Now you can better choose between the right and wrong, and if you still wish to entertain the foolishness that in future schools will have no teachers and books, then I pity you. Last but not the least, do you think more smart gadgets and smarter apps are going to make youngsters have better emotional quotient? If yes, then my friends, you are wrong. Schools of tomorrow will continue to have better teachers and inspiring books as well. Thank you.